Welcome back to another Level Up Health video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as I'm always creating new and exciting content for you guys. Now, let's get started with the 6 drinks to consume before bed to help burn that stubborn belly fat. If you happen to be one of those people who are struggling to shed some extra pounds, then this video is just for you. Losing weight is not an easy task. It calls for a healthy, balanced diet and a proper workout regime. No matter what the fad diets may claim, there's just no way you can rule out these 2 very crucial factors. However, to up the pace of the weight loss process, there are a few diet hacks that you can practice during bedtime. These hacks are simple, yet can help you lose weight fast by increasing the body's metabolism and boosting your digestion process. According to an Ayurveda expert, Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, in order to lose weight effectively, one should have a good digestive system. Now you may be asking, what is Ayurveda? Ayurveda, or Ayurvedic medicine, is a healthy lifestyle system that people in India have used for more than 5,000 years. Ayurveda emphasizes good health and prevention and treatment of illness through lifestyle practices such as massage, meditation, yoga, and dietary changes, and the use of herbal remedies. Ayurvedic medicine is holistic, which means viewing the body and mind as a whole. Ayurveda not only treats a person's physical complaints, but it also changes lifestyle practices to help maintain or improve health. An improved digestive system is the first step in the weight loss journey. By increasing digestive efficiency with a few dietary changes, one can effectively lose weight and boost the body's metabolism. If you feel bloated most of the time, then consumption of these drinks will help you stay at ease. Now before we get started, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let me know you guys are enjoying the content so far. And now, let's jump into the 6 drinks to consume before bed to burn belly fat. Number 1. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is loaded with various health benefiting properties. Consuming it in the form of tea during bedtime can give your metabolism a good boost. Cinnamon is loaded with various antioxidant and antibiotic properties. This concoction works as a detox drink, and consumption of this wonderful drink can provide you with a lot of benefits. You can also combine it with honey to make it more palatable. Also, honey and cinnamon are 2 of the most powerful kitchen ingredients that are commonly found in Indian households for various culinary and medicinal purposes. These 2 ingredients have been long associated with Chinese traditional medicine and Ayurveda. Individually, they have wonderful qualities for one's health and beauty. Honey has a long-standing reputation of containing medicinal properties which are excellent for both skin and hair. In older times, Egyptians used to use it as a healing agent and even documented the same thing. Due to its acidic level, it is often used as an antibacterial and has antioxidants that ward off any damaging cell-free radicals in the body. It makes for a healthy and natural replacement for sugar. Honey also has a low hypoglycemic index that helps regulate your blood sugar levels. How to make cinnamon tea. You'll need 1 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix them together and allow it to steep for around 20 to 30 minutes. Sip your cup of cinnamon tea at least half an hour before going to bed for effective results. Number 2. Soaked fenugreek water. According to Dr. Ashutosh, fenugreek seeds facilitate weight loss to a great extent. Regular consumption of methadona generates heat in the body and helps in managing and losing weight. It also acts as a great antacid and helps strengthen the digestive system. It should be consumed at least half an hour or 1 hour before bedtime. How to make fenugreek water. Boil the water in a container and add the crushed fenugreek seeds in it. You can crush these seeds using mortar and pestle. Cover and steep the seeds for at least 3 to 5 minutes, then strain in a cup using a regular tea strainer and reap the benefits. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile not only stimulates weight loss, but also reduces bloating to a great extent. Chamomile is loaded with calcium, potassium, and flavonoids. Chamomile's ability to detox the body helps in getting rid of toxins and excess water. As an added bonus, a cup of hot chamomile tea before bedtime can help you get a restful sleep as well. How to make chamomile tea. Boil water in a pan on high heat. Once the water is boiled properly, switch off the heat. Add dried chamomile leaves to the water and cover the pan with a lid. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Pass the tea through a strainer and pour the strained tea into teacups. Add honey or other natural sweeteners like stevia or agave and mix thoroughly. You can also skip adding the sweetener if you want to. Drink it warm in bed before entering a relaxing sleep. Number 4. Cucumber parsley juice. Cucumbers are a good source of B vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin K, and help control cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Parsley is a flowering plant native to the Mediterranean. The two most common types are French curly leaf and Italian flat leaf. Over the years, parsley has been used to treat conditions like high blood pressure, allergies, and inflammatory diseases. Today, it's widely used as a fresh culinary herb or dried spice. It's bright green in color and has a mild, bitter flavor that pairs well with many recipes. Often labeled as one of the most powerful disease-fighting plants, parsley provides great nutritional value and offers many potential health benefits. This green juice made with cucumber and parsley can fasten your weight loss journey and can show quick results if consumed regularly. Cucumber has high water and high fiber content and almost no calories. Parsley is known for its mild diuretic properties and high minerals and vitamins content. Both are nutrient-packed foods that are also known to aid weight loss in an efficient way. How to make cucumber parsley juice. To make this juice, simply combine dried cucumber, a bunch of parsley, a half teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Blend them all together till it turns into a liquid juice, then consume. Number 5. Aloe vera juice. The aloe vera plant is a succulent plant species from the genus Aloe. It grows abundantly in tropical climates and has been used for centuries as a medicinal plant. Aloe vera juice is a gooey, thick liquid made from the flesh of the aloe vera plant leaf. It's commonly known to treat sunburns, but drinking this healthy elixir in juice form provides you with a number of other healthy benefits. Drinking aloe vera juice at bedtime may help you shed extra fat naturally. According to Ayurveda expert Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, aloe vera has the potential of curing a range of ailments and provides complete nourishment to the body. According to the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, aloe vera juice helps balance intestinal flora. It can be useful in cases of irritable bowel syndrome and is a laxative that is reputed to help expel parasites from the digestive tract. How to make aloe vera juice. Scrape the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf with a knife. Lob out the inside the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Mix it with 2 cups of water and blend them together. Pour the juice in a glass and enjoy this weight loss friendly drink before going to sleep. Number 6. Turmeric milk. If you thought Haldi Walla Dude was only for treating colds, coughs, and healing injuries, you may be wrong. Turmeric may also help in boosting metabolism and soothing digestion that may result in the shedding of extra weight. Its antioxidant properties may flush out harmful toxins from our body and keep our digestion running smoothly while we take a nap. Milk, on the other hand, fuels the body with calcium and proteins that help us sleep peacefully. This may prevent us from overeating the next day. How to make turmeric milk. Boil milk with a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or an inch-long knob of raw turmeric. Then, simply drink it at bedtime while it's still hot. It's as easy as that. Now that I've shared with you a list of bedtime hacks, make them a part of your daily schedule and lose weight effectively. These detox drinks help flush out toxins from the body. With an improved digestion and good metabolism, you'll be able to lose weight fast. That's it for today's video on the 6 drinks to consume before bed to burn belly fat. As always, thank you for watching. And if you made it this far, drop a like on the video as it's always appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.